Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw a makeup kit. Let's start drawing. We start by drawing a rectangle for the makeup color palette and then the space where the colors of the palette go. This is a makeup kit that you can carry in your bag. The mirror. Now we draw the mascara, the lipstick. I draw a heart in the middle, and a nail polish. Finally, a brush. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, brown, light green, dark blue, pink, purple, orange, light violet. Amazing! I love my pen.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Light blue,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
orange,
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
yellow,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now
red,
I know my ABCs.
dark green,
Next time, won't you
purple,
sing with me?
red, purple,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
black,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
yellow,
U, V, W,
light green,
X, Y, and Z.
dark blue,
Now I know my ABCs.
orange,
Next time,
dark
won't
green,
you sing with me?
brown, yellow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.